Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing good. So in today's video, we will talk about brokerage. Now, if you have been following us, we are with Zerodha, and since last 7 or 8 years, we have been with the Zerodha. And in fact, we put a video about Zerodha also. How good is Zerodha? Anyway, many people tells many their opinions by like they have technical glitch, support that, this and all. So I'm not blaming Zerodha, or I'm not going to tell you Zerodha is not a good broker. It is a good broker. In fact, all brokers in India are good only. So they are here to serve the customers, right? But we had some issues which we were facing. So that's why I thought we have to shift our brokerage from Zerodha to Zebu. Now, if you have seen this thumbnail and you are coming into this video, let me tell you the thumbnail is true that we have not paid any brokerage to Zerodha till 2018. Now, how if you ask me how is that possible, if you might be knowing that there is a concept called 60 days challenge in Zerodha. So what is this 60 days challenge? So 60 days challenge is a concept where if you are profitable for 60 trading sessions, Zerodha will refund your whole brokerage to your account. Now, Fires is doing as of now, Zerodha has stopped that. So, since April 2018, Zerodha doesn't refund your brokerage, but they issue certificates to you. And maybe other brokers, Fires, I heard Fires is giving that, and some other brokers are also giving this kind of refunds for people who are profitable in 100 days or 60 days, so whatever. Now, since we have been trading very long time for Zerodha, and since 2018 this concept was stopped. Before 2018 we used to get all the brokerage, whatever we paid we used to get, and we all these years apart from 2020 year 2020, we all other years we were making profits only since 2014 till 2021 we are making profit apart from 2020. So we were continuously winning Zerodha 60 days challenge, and I will show you the certificate in the screen now. If you want, you can pause this video and check this certificate. So since we were winning the 60 days challenge and we were getting our refunds, we were very happy, and Zerodha also not many big issues, so everything was happy. Now, since this 60 days challenge refund is finished, still we were continuing with the Zerodha. And since all these years before 2018, 4 or 5 years, we have been with Zerodha and we are used to Zerodha. So we were not able to move out of Zerodha. All our accounts were held up with Zerodha. Now, this year, 2021, you know what is happening. Markets are super volatile, and on an average, maybe 100 to 150 orders we are punching every day. Not only in our account, combined all of our account. So at the end of the day, what happened is, if you see, this is December, and I think December 30th is the last day to file IT. So when we took our charges list and what we have done, and we saw major chunk of the profit is going to brokerage and this thing. So that is significantly a big amount. So we were thinking how to stop this or how to reduce this. So we were scouting for other brokers, we were checking with other brokers. As a social media influencer, many people will also contact us. So we were putting our terms, like we want that, we want this, that and this, everything. So Alice Blue came up with their terms, and Zebu came with their terms. And Zerodha is not going to come with their terms because they are massive, they are big, and they don't want to bend for anyone. They work on their own style. So we were scouting for a good broker who can facilitate us. So we thought we will change, and now, as of now, of all our account, we have shifted one account, my personal account, to Zebu, and we are testing like for last 1 month. And I am seeing Zebu is really good, and they have all kinds of platform. If you want Nest trading terminal, also they are providing Nest trading terminal. And they are not a big broker when you compare with Zerodha, but they are significantly having a good customer base in across India. So they are based out of Chennai, and I thought, as a South Indian, I thought it should be good for me also, because I don't have any communication problem. So they are going to give me a dedicated manager, plus they have registered me as a NSE authorized person. So you have to remember, I am getting monetization benefits because of moving from Zerodha to Zebu. I'm not talking about others, but personally, I will get monetization benefits if I move from Zerodha to Zebu. You know why? Because all this time I have been explaining why we are moving from Zerodha to Zebu. Now, when I get Nest Terminal, it is easy for me to handle many accounts. That is the one reason. Apart from that, charges are 20 rupees, and we are going to get it back. That is not an issue. And there are collateral things. So everything collateral, whatever Zerodha is giving, you will get all the collaterals here also. You are not going to get FD and all. FD collateral is not allowed, but apart from that, whether you want to go for mutual funds, or you want to go for Bharat bond, or if you want to go for any other securities, you can pledge that as a collateral, and you can use that as a pledge that and use it as a margin money. So since we have talked about margin money, if you have to remember, we have put a separate video about collateral. If it is a Bharat bond is a non-cash component. So if you are using Bharat bond and you are having a overnight F&O position which exceeds 50% of your collateral, then there will be a interest on your debit balance. So that's a very brief subject. I'm not going into that. But all other things, even Zerodha, no. If you trade in Zerodha, if you are having overnight F&O position and your F&O position is more than 50% of your non-cash component collateral, then Zerodha will charge interest on debit balance. So you will have to check your contract note on daily basis, which many of us, including me also, doesn't do. So our people take care of that. So I don't check in the means, I'm not checking, our office people will check that. So since this brokerage was heavy, that is what they told me, like we are paying so much brokerage and how to reduce the brokerage. So we are moving to Zebu. Since we have moved to Zebu, we are getting additional benefits, monetization benefits, plus we are having Nest terminal. So once we move our client account to Zebu, I will be able to handle all the accounts from one terminal. So that's a very easy thing for us to do, right? So I don't have to jump from one computer, one system to another system. So all of our account can be handled at one click. So Nest trading platform is a very good trading platform. I don't know about individuals, but when it comes to handling many accounts, it is a good account. So whether it is HNI or any proprietary desk, they use a Nest platform, right? So we thought it is going to be a good thing for us. So we are shifting to Zebu. And the brokerage also, I told you, they are charging 20 rupees. So obviously I'm going to get it back. That is a different thing. And other things what they are doing is they are giving web terminal also, collateral also, I told. So margin benefits, whatever NSE has stipulated or whatever SEBI has stipulated, they will give the collateral benefits also. So opening charges, if you see the opening charges is zero as of now. And if you have a Demat account, they will charge you 500 rupees as annual maintenance charges. Apart from that, there is a very important thing which is called OI restrictions in Zerodha. If you are trading with Zerodha, you know, in Zerodha is a very massive and big broker. and there is a OI limitation for all the brokers in India. So if one single broker exceeds 15% of their total open interest in NSE, so they will be not able to buy more orders out of the money options, right? So that problem was existing in Zerodha. So when we talked to Zerodha how to rectify this, they came up with the idea. They told, if you want, you can go to Orbis, you can open an Orbis account. So Orbis account is something different, and when you go to Orbis account, no, there are some disadvantages, like your payments are settled by Orbis, and your day-to-day transactions are done by Orbis, and demat everything is done by Orbis. So you cannot go for collateral, you have to go by liquid cash only. So there are some problems when you go to Orbis. So that was not a very smart thing to do. Then what we thought is, we will find a very significantly not a large broker but a medium to small broker. Then only we found out Zebu, and there is no OI restrictions, and as of now there is 15%, like from spot price 15% up till 15% up and down, you can go and buy options. If their volume is low, this restriction is also not there, so you don't have any problem when it comes to OI restrictions. And when it comes to long-term options, say for example you want to buy you want to sell a long-term option, you can sell in a long-term options in Zebu. There is no restrictions. If there is any liquidity, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, you can directly go and sell long-term option. That is not going to be a issue. So platform, they are giving Nest platform. If you want to have access to Nest platform, you can take Nest platform. You don't need a 25 lakhs fund and all. So that is there. Second thing is, OI restriction is not there. Third thing is, you can sell out of the money, long-term expiry options. And the second thing is, OI restriction is not there. If OI restrictions are not there, you can go and buy far out of the money options. Even Zerodha was allowing to buy far out of the money options, but it is like, if you sell one leg, they will allow you to buy one more leg. Apart from that, if you want to buy another leg, they were not allowing, and there was this restrictions, OI restrictions. That restrictions you will not face with Zebu. And the third is long-term option. If you want to sell a long-term option which is expiring more than 6 months to 9 months, Zebu doesn't have any issue on that. And apart from that, collateral also I told, whether it is Bharat Bond, mutual fund, and Bharat Bond, I can remember there is a haircut of around 6%, right? So if you have 10 lakhs, only 60,000 is going to be your haircut. And you see, Bharat Bond 2031, which is maturing in 2031, is giving an interest rate of around, I think, 6.87%. So if you want, you can open account with Zebu. And one more thing I will tell you, since I am referring you, and since you are under our referral, if there is any issues with your trading or whatever, you don't have to call Zebu. You can call us directly, because we are almost 70 or 80% of brokers now. So in case you need any support, you can call us directly, you can call our office directly, and we will be able to rectify your problems, right? So this is what we want, and that is the reason why we are shifting to Zebu. And in case if we are getting good response, and if we want, we are planning to open a Telegram channel also, where all our people or all our subscribers who have opened account with Zebu, we will put them in that group, and maybe they can you can help each other, and we can discuss about trades or whatever. So that we are planning, right? So we'll see how things pan out. So until then, this is the thing why we are shifting to Zebu. If you want to open an account with Zebu, you can check the link in the description below, and you can give your name and email ID, and somebody from our office will keep in touch with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.